Tracking showers and storms moving through northwest Georgia right now. We have some scattered showers in the metro area, but so far the greater coverage of rain has been to the north and northwest of us. But all this is eventually going to be moving our way as we go through the late night hours and also overnight tonight. We don't have any severe storms in our area now. We had a severe thunderstorm warning earlier for Dade and Walker County, but as that moved over to the east, it weakened somewhat. But really, the main thing we're watching now is rain, but it's going to be overnight and toward tomorrow morning when we're going to see that thunderstorm risk and even the severe weather risk going up just a little bit more as the front gets closer to our area. As we put this into motion, you can see in the metro area, we've only been dealing with just a few spotty showers that have been moving through. Some of those, though, have had some moderate to heavy rain with them. We've had a few flashes of lightning, but nothing severe here. Northwest Georgia, first let's look at metro Atlanta. You can see some of those scattered showers that have been moving through. We had one that moved right over the airport a little bit earlier. Didn't cause any delays, though. That's now pushing on up to the east of us. Scattered showers through Barrow County, also into Walton County, Gwinnett County, just a couple of spotty showers. On the north side, we've been dealing north metro areas, just a few of those showers, but most of the rain so far has been in northwest Georgia. And we're really going to have to watch very closely these rainfall amounts because more is going to be coming through. And when you get these moderate to heavy showers training over the same areas, we can see some localized flooding in some spots. So we'll watch that part of northwest Georgia for that. You can see some of these a little heavier that were heavier earlier are showing signs of weakening as they move over to the east. Now on the south side, we've got this one that's moving through Coweta County right up 85. That'll push into Fayette County, South Fulton in just a little while, and also into Clayton County. That may make it to the airport in a little bit too. More of the action, though, is in North Alabama. We have scattered showers and storms here, a lot of thunder and lightning, severe thunderstorm warning, again, to the north and west of the Birmingham area. Lightning count has come down a little bit. Earlier, it was 500 lightning strikes in a 15-minute period. Last time we checked this, it was 296. Now it's 226. So with the lightning count coming down, that's showing signs that it is moving into a little more stable air. We also have severe storms that have been in western parts of Alabama. We had a tornado warning there earlier in western Alabama. Now some tornado warnings in eastern Mississippi about to cross over the line into Alabama. Additional severe thunderstorm warnings and tornado warnings back into Mississippi. Here's a live look in Coweta County right now. We've had a few showers that have moved through there earlier. Now the roads are still wet. That additional rain moving through Coweta County right now near Noonan. The Storm Prediction Center has just updated the latest convective outlook showing that level 4 risk still extending through parts of central Mississippi and into western Alabama. It is a little bit smaller now than the level 3 risk and then the level 2 risk that did stop earlier at the Georgia-Alabama line has now extended into West Georgia, and then the level 1 risk that was covering metro Atlanta has now extended past Athens over toward the Georgia-South Carolina line. So as these storms come in, we're still dealing with a threat for some isolated stronger storms that could have damaging wind, heavy rain, and that low tornado risk. And again, that tornado risk is on the low end, but we always have to watch with a system like this that we could get some individual storms that might have a little bit of rotation with them. Then tomorrow in the morning is when we're going to be dealing with still some showers and storms around, but that's going to kick down to the south and east pretty quickly. We'll clear out here, and that severe weather threat goes down into parts of central Georgia and south Georgia. So these are the main threats that we're watching. The heavy rain risk is really the highest risk that we'll be dealing with. The damaging wind risk is more moderate. I think that would be in more isolated areas instead of widespread. And the tornado risk is on the low end, and we're not really worried about hail out there either. Mild conditions, 60s right now, some 50s though to the north and also to the east of us. And through the next 12 hours, temperatures aren't going to drop much. We'll hold in the 60s, upper 50s by morning, but look at that cloud cover and those rain chances as they're going up. Only a 5 on the wasometer. Rainy conditions in the morning, then clearing out in the afternoon with highs around 66, but cooling down during the afternoon as that northwest wind blows in. So you can see the storms tonight, northwest Georgia later tonight. Overnight, this is at 2 in the morning, the bulk of the rain over the metro area, moderate to heavy at times. Heaviest rain at 6 o'clock to the south, but still lingering showers here in the metro area. Then it all clears out. We'll have sunshine returning, we're thinking, before lunchtime here on Wednesday. Remember those temperatures cooling later in the afternoon. Then we get down to the mid-30s Thursday morning with a high of 55, 36 Friday morning with a high of 57. Then milder air for the weekend back to the 60s, and then a 30 to 40% chance for showers Saturday, Sunday, and into Monday and Tuesday too.